Hey guys, this is Miss D at D Special Things. Okay, I am participating in the Sweet Treats collaboration with um, MLK for the month of May. And the theme this month is a day at the park. And you must incorporate sweet treats or and express a show in your project. Um, how it relates to a day at the park. Okay, so for this, I'm going to show you a few of the things I used. Matter of fact, all I used was paper. Pretty much, yeah. I used this collection, Summer Fresh collection. I think this is a, ooh, I don't even know, but it was a, yeah. I don't know what year this collection came out, but years doesn't matter to me because I can make old stuff new again. But yeah, I know it's not a recent present day collection, but yes, I thought it was a great paper stack to use for this collaboration. Yes, before I go on, I am going to put all of the collaborators in the links below. I am a participant, so I have been trying to catch up and haven't really been able to stay on track. So this month I decided I will go ahead and do it, but over the next few months I'm going to be super busy, so I don't know how consistent I will be as far as doing a project for the collaboration, but I'm going to try to do or stay on track as best I could. Yes, so that being said, if you look down in the description box below, you'll see all of the collaborators that are participating in this collaboration. This is being hosted by Memory Lane Keepsake, and yeah, like I said, a day in the park with some sweet treats. So this is up here because these are some of the tools I used. Okay, I showed you the paper stack, which was a Summer Fresh by Simple Stories. Yes, okay, so I used that paper stack. I didn't use much of anything else. I used these envelopes, the cards and the envelopes, and I actually made, I'll tell you what I did to them so then you could see. I took 3 of the actual envelopes and I attached them like this. 1, 2, and I took the other one and attached it like that. What we used to call mini albums or flip books. Yeah, they're calling them something else now. But here I go with mine. Yeah, so it could be a mini book or a sweet treats envelope. Hey, you guys could call it what you want, because I see that's what's happening to a lot of things that we have named in the past. A few months later, it's coming back, but it's named something totally different. So yes, that's what I use. This right here, well, these envelopes here, and I just put them together, and you could decorate them first, at least on one side, and then put them together and decorate your back side. And then I use this right here. This is an I actually have another, it's like a crocodile kind of sort of thing like this. This is one of my old edges. But I used it to put these, adhere these little doodads on there, you know, your corners. Yeah, and you just kind of adhere this to your corner. And then you take this and you smash it. Yep. Simple as that. Easy as that. But, yeah. So, I use those. And then, I actually use, what are these called? These are, I don't know what they're called, but I know what they were originally for. These are the little coin disc things that you use to put. Coin collectors use them. Well, I made a little shaker with that one. And let's see, I think I got these from, oh, I know I got them from Amazon. And they come in a set of 100. Yeah, look like this in a little box. Yeah, and they make the cutest little shakers, and you can actually use these as embellishments. You know, paper clip embellishments. You can use them as shakers. A lot of ways to use them. Yeah, so I used those. And then what else did I use? I think that's pretty much it, other than the paper stack. And not a whole lot. And here is my project. And this is, the name of this little book is A Day in the Park. It should have been At the Park, but I could change that. Let me see. Yes, it's a day at the park. I know I did a day in the park, because now I did put a little shaker on there that says sweet treats, because I know what's her name? I forgot her name. Ooh, but anyway, her name is, oh my gosh, I forgot. But she's hosting this collaboration, and I used the vellum to hold this together. But though I put that there, I know she has a sweet treat shop, and she wanted to see, I'm sure, how you would actually use the theme and incorporate the sweet treats in your projects. Though I put that there, I incorporated mine. My sweet treats are when I thought about my kids, my grandkids, when I thought about a day at the park. I thought about the things that they love to do and see, and the very first page is the wagon. And I have a picture of them that my son and his wife, well, their family actually took, and they're all in a wagon, and they were at the park. So I did put little strawberries in it just to represent a day at the park, nothing but good times. And then I have a little card here that actually, and it's probably stuck because I actually used that paper stack and cut out those letters. I did put this, it says so very happy. I put ice cream cones on there because you could get that at the park too, right? Yes, at my parks, the parks I go to, you can. And then I have the corners on there, and that's that tool, this tool that I showed you I used. And the inside is just a place you could either write or put a picture. And I thought this was cute for someone who actually had a day at the park and wanted to just take their pictures and put them in there. And this is the next page, and my sweet treat is the kite. Yes, on here, the kite. I'm talking in reference to kids going to the park. A sweet treat for them for a day at the park would be a kite. Yeah, and I'm sure they would have fun playing with that, doing it. Then I also put this card in there, and this is the summer top 10, I guess, sweet treats. Yes, so you can actually name things, you know, like feeding the ducks. I think those are sweet treats. Those are things that you know, riding the, you know, it depends on what's in your park too. Sailing your little boats if you have a pond. And this is a little note thing that you could put all your little details on. So yes, that goes in there, but that's because of the paper stack I use. These are the sweet treats that I was able to put on here. And the kite flying was one of those sweet treats. And then too, this right here, you know, the little pinwheels that you actually use, and I put this on top. I made a cluster out of it. Yeah. And then I have a couple of these cards here that I made. I just took the cards, and they're like project life size, and I used this tag thing, but I didn't cut the sizes down because this was larger than 2.5. So I just put it in there and I clipped the edges off so that I could use the whole tag and you would still have a place to write stuff on. So that's what went in the last one. Now I did use a note card in this one, but I had already punched my corners down so it wouldn't fit, and this is a place for more pictures or for you to write stuff, you know, and I just washi taped it in here. And yeah, these are the little corners. If you're going to use these, you have to make it smaller than the actual envelope, because if you put the corners on, it won't fit all the way in, and that's what I did. But yes, this is another one of my cards with the pinwheels on it. That's something fun for them to do at the park. And then on this side right here, I just have a picnic basket, and I put cookies and ice cream on there. And then they had a soda, and it says "So Delightful." And then there you can actually identify the day and the month and the day that you spent at the park. And then if you hold it up this way, you have a hot air balloon, fun in the sun, because you can actually have fun at the park looking at the hot air balloons, or even taking a hot air balloon ride. And on the back, I just have a sun thing, and I'll probably put my name or whatever there. And it shakes, you guys. Yeah, so there you are. And that is my project. Like I said, right now, I don't know what they've renamed these something totally different, but they're just really the envelopes. And, you know, when we were making the flips, that's all it is a flip book. Yes, or how we used to call it a flip book. Now it's called a envelope. Yeah, an envelope. I don't know what they're calling it, but yes, that's what I did. I used the envelopes to make it, so we'll still call it an envelope project. Yes, so that is my day. Let me put at the park. So go over and see what the other ladies have actually created. The ladies are very creative, and this is what I did want to mention to a lot of you that are just trying to figure out what to make, or you know, like if you're looking for a certain project, in this case sweet treats, you might want to just follow whomever is doing the collaboration, because you can get some really great ideas about what to do, how to do it, from people that are actually participating in the collaborations. Even if you don't want to be a part of the collaboration, participate. I don't know how it works for all of the collaborations, but I do know for some of them, all you have to do is hashtag or leave your link in the comments to whomever is doing the collaboration, and they will greatly appreciate your project in their collaboration. If you do not have if you can't commit to doing the collaborations. But right now I couldn't commit to all 12 months, and now I'm not even able to. Well, when you participate, you don't have to, you do it, I guess, according to the time that you have. And that's what I'm doing. So, yes, Tanya is her name. I'm sorry. I knew I would remember it. Sorry, Tanya. But yes, she is the hostess for the this collaboration, and it's the Sweet Treats collaboration. I think that is so cute and such a good idea. Yeah, so this will make a great gift for someone who have kids that actually, you know, just want to take a few pictures of their kids. They could put these in the pictures, put the pictures on each of the panels, send them to a grandma or something, you know, or better yet, take the pictures. I watch the kids play and go to the park and all that kind of stuff. I could easily take those pictures off of Facebook and put them in here and give this to them, she would probably say, where'd you get those pictures? But yeah, anyway, this is a great gift idea for your little mini albums and stuff too. All right, you guys, that's my project. And yes, I hope you like it. I hope this has inspired you to do, because it can be any theme. You can do anything. But being that this is the Sweet Treat collab, I wanted to make sure it was, you know, pretty much. I think I like the way that opens. What she wanted as far as her theme for this month. The theme is a day at the park, and it is a sweet treat collaboration. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. This is Miss D at These Special Things, and I'll talk to you later. Go check the other ladies out. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.